All right, let's look for m here. We have natural log, or the ln of m, equals to 2 ln c plus 3. Okay, now let's apply some properties here. Okay, now in case we have, let's say, ln of x plus ln of y the same as ln of x, y. So natural log of x plus natural log of y is same as natural log of x times y. Okay, can we adjust the side? Yeah, and don't forget also that in case we're given x ln of, let's say, t, now remember the x here is a power rule, the same as ln of t exponent x. So can we say ln of c to the power 2 plus 3? Yes, if we've changed 1. Okay, can we also support this 3 here? Now we have to support this 3 in order to perform the product rule of logarithm. Okay, so remember, under this or this type of question, in case we're given e raised to ln of, let's say, x, the same as x. So these ones are the natural log function. So e raised to ln of 3 the same as 3. So we can write this one as ln c squared plus e raised to ln of 3. Okay, we have that. Okay, so we have ln of m all right, and don't forget this one can also be written as ln of e to the power 3. There is a property that ln, when you combine ln to e, is same as 1. Okay, so this one can be written as that. So this one coming down here, so I can say ln c squared plus natural log that. Okay, so this one is same as that. Okay, same as that. All right, so let's perform the product rule here. So we have this ln of x plus that, so we have ln of c squared e to the power 3, c squared e to the power 3, c squared e to the power 3. So we have ln of m. So we can take antilog on both sides, which will be left with m equals to c squared e to the power 3. That's that. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. My name is Teria Dankwa Samuel.